Welcome to a new Consumer Goods review. Today we have Carre Hazelnut Milk Chocolate from Lidl, the best cheap food store in Europe. So yeah, this is the Lidl's private label chocolate. But it's not the cheap one, because this one actually cost €2. So I expect this to be like luxurious private label one. I hope it tastes good. Here we have nutrients and ingredients, not English, sorry, only Finnish, Swedish, and DK, Donkey Kong Country. Okay, let's open it up and see. Oh, already looking really good. We have the gold packaging. Can we get this out? Ooh, look at this. This looks luxurious. Gold. Look. So much hazelnut. Sometimes when they make hazelnut chocolate they only put like a couple of them. But as you can see, this, it's full of hazelnut. Really nice. Ooh. Nice print also. Carre. Can't wait to taste this. It's the moment of truth. Let's see if Carre Hazelnut Milk Chocolate tastes any good. The smell is great. Let's go ahead and take one row of the chocolate. And here you can see inside we have the hazelnuts. Here we go. The hazelnut, they are so big, and there are so many of them here. Look, I think there's more hazelnut than there is actual chocolate. So much hazelnut. It's pretty good, pretty good. Didn't expect this amount of quality from the Lidl private label. But then again, it's a German brand, and Germans are known for making good chocolate. You know, I really like the amount of hazelnut, but the chocolate flavor, it's nowhere to be seen or nowhere to be tasted. The chocolate flavor is like it doesn't exist in this chocolate. It's all about the hazelnut. So that's 1 point minus. I think they use this really cheap milk chocolate made from the powdered milk on this one instead of using real milk. You know, it tastes the same as the Christmas calendar, the advent calendar chocolate, the basic chocolate. But still, it doesn't matter because it's all about the hazelnuts. You buy this for the hazelnuts. Look, this one has like 3 big hazelnuts in one piece. I think if you weight this, it would be like 90% hazelnut weight, 10% chocolate. And hazelnut is good because it has protein and fiber. Yeah, 8.3 protein per 100. So that's really good. Also, one thing minus that I can say about this chocolate is that, you know, in Lidl, usually in the shop they have the product here and the price below. But in Lidl they mix it up. They have product here and the price above. So when I bought this chocolate, I thought it was only €1 because there was a price €1 right below this chocolate. Like right over here, €1. But it's actually, it was 2 euros, but the price was above. That doesn't make any sense. It should be like price, product. That's the logical way to do it. But Lidl, they don't do it. They had 2 euros here, so that sucks. Double the price than I thought it was. I should make complaint. Weird, this one doesn't have any hazelnut. It's just milk chocolate. So I guess they didn't put it so evenly, because as you can see here, this part is missing the hazelnut completely, and here many of them. Yeah, this one was just milk chocolate piece. Yeah, overall, pretty okay chocolate, especially from the Lidl private label. The price should have been lower in my opinion, maybe like 1.50. Now it was 2 euros. And I think they should have used more distinguished chocolate flavor here, and not this cheap one that they use. Let's see actually what it's made from. Hazelnuts are from Turkey. Coconut butter, so yeah, that's not good. And cream powder from Germany. Yeah, the chocolate one, not so great here. If they used better chocolate, this would have been 10 out of 10. But I think I only give this 8 out of 10. Considering how they scammed me with this price. And the chocolate hazelnut is not even. And also, yeah, the chocolate flavor not so great to be honest. But I really like how they have the big hazelnuts. That's plus. Hazelnut from Turkey. Very good. Yeah, Lidl chocolate. 8 out of 10. Lidl has some interesting private labels. Leave a comment if you want me to review more of them. Some of them are really scammy to be honest. They copy the packaging of the actual branded product and they make private label product that look just like the real one. So, but this one is actually original. But some of them are really scammy. I can show you the picture, it's so funny. They copy everything from the real labels. But yeah, 8 out of 10. Subscribe, like the video, and leave a comment if you like it or not. Thanks for watching.